Hazrat Jarir radiyallahu anhu states, one day we were sitting in the company of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam in the early hours of the day, when all of a sudden a group of the people who were barefooted, with naked bodies, wearing long unstitched leather shirts or cloaks in their necks, and hanging swords came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. Most rather, all of them belonged to the Mudar tribe. Witnessing their abject poverty, the color of the face of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam changed. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam went inside, then came out and commanded Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu anhu to proclaim the prayer call. Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu anhu proclaimed the prayer call and then congregation call. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam led the people in the prayer and then delivered a sermon saying, O people, fear your Lord who created you from a single soul and made its mate from within it. To Allah is watching you all time. Surah Nisa verse 1. And then recited these words of chapter Hashr. O believers, fear Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and let every soul should see what it sent forth for the tomorrow. And fear Allah. Undoubtedly, Allah is aware of your dunks. Surah Hashr verse 18. The people should give in charity dirham, dinar, their clothes, 1 sa of barley, and 1 sa of dates. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam even said, though one piece of date. The reporter says, one of the Ansar brought a small sack carrying which his hand was about to tire, nay tired. Thereafter, the people came in quick succession until I even saw 2 heaps of food and clothes, until I cited that the face of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was glowing in happiness, and it seemed as if his face were of gold. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whosoever pioneers any good act in Islam will procure reward of his own deed as well as of those who will act upon it laterally without detracing their reward. And whosoever initiates any evil practice in Islam will get the burden of the sin of his own act as well as of those who will follow it laterally, and there will be no reduction in the doer's sins. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2348.